welcome back to my channel Bag Borrow Brew. I'm Arya Roy. On this channel I give a lot of content around post-MBA career and a lot of things that I like and love in between, starting with cold brew to travel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about an alternate career option to the typical post-MBA roles. It's for anyone who's interested more specifically in business roles. And what is this role? So this role is basically a decision scientist or a big data or a data analyst role. Now, in the video, we're going to talk about or touch upon three major points. One is, why do I recommend this role right now? Second is, what has been my experience with this role? And thirdly, how can you apply for such roles? So to start with, why would I recommend this role for anyone right now? Considering the current climate that the world is faced with and the abundance of uncertainty, I would not recommend anyone to go in for an MBA in the online format. I think MBA is a lot about college experience, networking and learning from your cohort. And with the online experience, though there is a lot of Zoom sessions and virtual catch-ups, I think no amount of that can actually replace the physical interaction and learning from one another and how much you can gain from your peers and your classmates. So I would recommend anyone planning for an MBA to put off plans for at least the next 2 years and seriously consider a decision science career as an alternate option for the next 2 years. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is how decision science is literally like the hot pick of the season. It actually has been a very emerging role and has been something that has been growing in importance for almost 10 years now. This, of course, is because of the amount or the quantum of data that each and every company, industry or function is today able to collect and actually process. So you literally need a data expert in every industry and every function within a company, and hence this role is literally like a universal role. So the kind of skill sets that you develop using good data analysis processes can be applied to, let's say, a finance role, to a marketing role, to any function. So it basically makes the role very universal and will make you somebody who as a resource can be used across the company. Now, the other thing that I want to talk about is what has been my experience with this role. So I started off my career as a decision scientist at Mu Sigma, worked there for a year plus, and the amount of learning that I had during the phase has just been incredible. My learning curve was extremely steep, and the kind of skill sets that I developed, whether it's working with advanced Excel to being able to synthesize data, has helped me not just at Mu Sigma or during my MBA, but also with my work at Henkel, and now more so at L'Oreal, using a lot of e-com data. So I think the skill sets that you develop when it comes to slicing and dicing data, being able to infer a lot of business sensibilities, is something that actually comes as a great addition to your personality and skill set by working on this role. So I think that's my experience. Now, moving on to how can you actually get a role in decision sciences. So there are two ways basically. One is join a company like I did and learn on the job. Mu Sigma is a great company which actually believes in learning over knowing and actually helps candidates come in and develop their skill sets. So that is a great way to actually start off your career. There are other companies such as Fractal and ZS Associates that you might like to consider as well, and there are a lot more in the market right now. I'll put a link of a few in the description box. The second way to actually get into decision science role is to actually do a proper online course. And the beauty about doing online course is that you can literally do it from the comfort of your home. And in the current global pandemic situation, I think that's a great option, that you can do anything from home and does not require a lot of people interaction. This role in itself, unlike like a typical marketing role that I am a part of, does not require you to develop a lot of people or soft skill sets, right? It's a lot about understanding data and working with different softwares and being able to synthesize information. So you should really consider doing an online course if it interests you. I'll put a link of a few in the description box, and if you like it, please do go and read about it. If you guys are really interested about knowing more, please comment and let me know, and I'm going to make a more detailed video on this. And up until then, hit like, subscribe and wear a mask and stay safe.